Continuing our coverage of the trial of a man accused of illegally operating a funeral home business. Hardin's trial resumed today after a few days break. The defense took over. Hardin is facing several charges for acting as a funeral director for years, but without a license. For the first time, we heard from Hardin himself. Kaylee Marentet continues our coverage tonight. So Kaylee, what did he say today?
Hardin was sworn in just for a short testimony because of a gap in time between witnesses for the defense. He was only on the stand for about 30 minutes and was asked by his attorney mostly about how he got interested in the funeral business. He says he got started working at a funeral home when he was only 12 years old, went to study in Pittsburgh, but didn't finish due to financial restrictions. And when he started as a pastor back in 2007, he heard the concerns of those at his church about funeral costs, so that's what sparked his idea of getting involved.
One of the problems that they had always run into is that they felt that funeral homes were overpriced and overcharging them. So they would come to the church and ask for financial help in terms of trying to get a loved one buried or cremated or whatever disposition that they were choosing to do, and the church would essentially have to come out of thousands and hundreds of dollars to help get someone buried or cremated.
Hardin says he would refer families to cheaper funeral services and never called himself a funeral director, but instead, quote, a funeral guide. You'll hear more from Hardin coming up at 6, and his testimony will continue tomorrow. Reporting live in downtown Toledo, Kaylee Marentet, WTOL 11.